Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2024 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss. Comes equipped with a 3-liter turbo diesel Duramax engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as 2-inch lift kit, Goodyear Territory all-terrain tires, brake controller, tow hooks, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this all-black interior with paneling, coupling, and storage at the bottom, equipped with the Bose speaker sound system. That's coming up here to the power locks, mirrors, and windows with the wood and chrome accents. And onto the interior, we're going to have these premium leather heated seats with driver adjustable lumbar. It's very comfortable. Left siding under vents. Down below your 2- and 4-wheel drive mode selector, and your lighting controls. On the left side of the steering wheel will be your cruise control, forward collision alert, and heated steering wheel. And the right side will be your voice recognition and odometer cluster control with 2 matte black paddle shifters right behind. And for the odometer, it's all digital here, and you can pretty much access all of your vehicle information, including your trip info, your timer, your gauges, your adaptive cruise control, and pretty much anything you need, as well as music, navigation, phone connectivity, and other settings as well. It's going to be push to start, and onto the infotainment system, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as built-in Google Assistant and Maps. You can also access your front, rear, and 360-degree camera, as well as the trailer hitch camera there, and with built-in Wi-Fi hotspot and Amazon Alexa as well. Down below, lane keep assist and park assist, as well as your auto stop, hill descent control. You're gonna have the brake controller down below with your dual zone climate control and 2 USB ports inside, and the center console with more storage, the brand new shifters, the cup holder, and a wireless charging pad with 2 more USB ports and an AC wall charger. Lots of extra storage inside. Passenger side, manually adjustable, same leather heated finish. Wood and chrome across the doors as well. It's going to go across the dash, speakers, vent, and speaker again, with some storage behind the infotainment system. And up top here, you can access your reading lamps, your OnStar and SOS, as well as your rear sliding window. You're going to be blacked out 18-inch wheels on Goodyear Territory all-terrain tires, the black Z71 badging, your black Duramax badging, the black mirror caps, and then the black keyless entry door handle, your Trail Boss badging, as well as the black corner step bumper with the black exhaust tips as well. Trailer hitch and 5th wheel just under. There's the easy lift gate there with 2 LED lamps on each side, as well as an AC wall charger and around 12 bed tie downs. It's a very spacious rear. All right, moving on to the rear. You're going to have paneling and storage again at the bottom next to the speakers. Up at the power windows and the wood and chrome again. Back. Pretty decent legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's side, rear cup holders, rear ventilation, and USB ports right in the center, cup holder and armrest, storage behind the seats as well, storage under the seats with lamps up top and handles on the side. Alright, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2024 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss. Comes equipped with a 3-liter turbo diesel Duramax engine, as well as 2-inch lift kit, Google Assistant and Maps, lane keep assist, brake controller, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe. We hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.